Hi, I'm Jovana from Omnius Research, and this is study number 3 in our monthly series on AI native search behavior. Most research on AI search looks at the answer side, so what the models cite and which brands rank. But we looked at the other side, what people actually type. And across 60 days of AI overview and AI mode queries on one AI search tool's own site, the questions have a very specific shape. People are using the answer engine to interrogate named products against specific requirement. It's behaving less like a discovery tool and more like an evaluation interface. The dataset is 93 unique non-branded queries and 1,862 impressions, all segmented to AI overviews in AI mode through Google Search Console and over a 60-day window on one tool's site. Two honesty notes up front. First, this is a single snapshot, so everything here describes this one pool. We make no claims about growth or change over time. And second, this data shows what people typed, not who they were. So I might say users, searchers, or software evaluators, but never buyers. And here's the shape of the pool. So 62% of all impressions come from queries that name a specific product and ask whether it does a specific thing. So it's not best GEO tool anymore, but does this named product support this exact capability? 74% of the queries end in a question mark. So the impression weight average length is 9.1 words. For comparison, in our previous July FinTech study, those queries averaged around 5 words. So the questions people bring to AI search about software tools are long, complete sentences, and they are highly specific. So let's zoom into the top 10 queries by impressions. 6 of the 10 name a specific product, as you can see here. So the question asks whether a name tool has an API, whether it exports data, whether it integrates with Google Analytics or Tableau, whether it monitors mentions across ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. So that's someone reading a spec sheet out loud. And here's a tell for why this is evaluation and not discovery. Across 1,862 impressions, the pool recorded only 3 clicks. So a click-through rate of 0.16%. The answer engine resolves the question in place and then user never visits a page. And we already all know this. They came to check a product against a requirement, they got the answer, and they were done. So the takeaway is this: when most impressions attach to a named product and a specific capability and almost nobody clicks, AI search is functioning as an evaluation interface. So for anyone marketing a tool in this space, 2 things follow. First, being named in the question is what puts you in the interface at all, and answering the exact capability question directly, one capability per page, is what an answer engine can cite. And that is what AEO and GEO work is actually for. The full study and methodology are at omnius.com/research from Omnius Research. Thank you for watching.